Welcome back. If you're here from the first video, shout out to you, but apparently we like jumping straight into things around here when it comes to working out. A jump rope is a good tool to have. You can work out from anywhere and gets your heart rate up. This routine starts with kettlebell swings to add in some power and increased explosiveness. Focus on being explosive from your hips and glutes and pick a challenging weight. I'll be honest, lunges are my least favorite, but it's such an effective exercise, especially in my home workouts to help build and strengthen the legs. Take your time and focus on proper form. Feel the bone. You can alternate legs or complete a set on one leg before moving on to the other side. Don't do your step-ups on an unstable surface like this. This is for filming purposes only. Go heavy on these, challenge yourself, and I reiterate, proper form. Research the proper form of exercises before you start them. This exercise is such a good glute builder. It hits the hamstrings and glutes so well. You should be used to this movement by now if you've been doing the first routine I posted. Don't put the pressure in your back. Keep that spine neutral. You guys are probably tired of the unilateral moves, so here's some squats. Remember to pick a challenging weight. If not accessible, just go up in your reps. I have a good range of dumbbells at home. You should probably invest if you work out at home, but again, just go up in your reps if you don't have weights that challenge you. Also, you can include bands into your workouts. I have some resistance bands that I use as well. Of course, we end with some core walk for this one. Keep your back as straight as possible. Try not to do much movement. Keep that core tight. This is hard to do. You'll get better once you keep doing it, of course, with anything in life, right? And then lastly, we're doing some knee tucks. This can also be challenging because you might want to rush through this instead of just taking your time and focus on feeling the bone and the proper form. But you got this, girl or boys. You got this. Just take your time. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Also, check out the last one. Bye. Bye.